Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Andrew Poon, who is a postdoctoral fellow at ETH Zurich in Switzerland. Hi Andrew, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. Excited to know about your research. So let's get started. Could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Yeah, sure. So I work on these things called nanocrystals. And as the name implies, these are just nanometer-sized crystals. Because of this really small size, electrons and holes, which are the opposite of electrons, are in a much smaller space. They're confined compared to the space they'd like to occupy. This is a phenomenon called quantum confinement, and it imparts all sorts of interesting properties on these nanocrystals. And my research is specifically on magic-sized nanocrystals. And they get this name because only certain sizes can be grown, so we call these sizes magic.
Okay. I'm sure there is a reason behind this magic. There's a reason why only certain sizes can grow, right?
Yeah,
But
exactly.
we just call them magic for funsies.
Yeah, it's just like a nice, pithy name.
Okay, all right. Can I ask you, do you have a favorite nanocrystal?
I don't think I do. I like them all equally.
Okay, are you sure? There is no one favorite?
I guess maybe for my postdoc advisor, I should say cadmium selenide.
For now, he's just
now.
putting it. For now, it's cadmium selenide. Okay, all right. Well, thank you for being honest. Awesome. But yeah, that sounds really cool, especially this magic magic size, and it does sound really interesting. And I'm sure there is a lot of pictures and videos that are coming our way when you're curating the account. So what can the followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Nano Twitter account?
Sure. So I think on Monday, I'll probably do like an intro, kind of a path to how I got where I am. I'm an American living in Switzerland, so maybe that's a bit different of a path than most people are used to. I'll talk a little bit about that. On Tuesday, I can show a little bit of pictures about the lab, what we do, because here in the Norris group, my professors that I work under, his name is David Norris. We have a very multidisciplinary lab, so there's a lot of cool instruments and interesting lab equipment to show off. On Wednesday, I guess I'll give a more specific overview of the research I'm doing. On Thursday, I think I'll talk a little bit about some of the other things that interest me in science and a career in science outside of the research that I do. And then finally, on Friday, like you mentioned, cool pictures and such. One of the fun things about nanocrystals is they interact with light in very interesting ways. And that usually manifests itself as they glow really brightly. So I'll probably post lots of pictures of glowing vials and things like that.
Oh, that sounds amazing, especially the Friday with the pictures and the light and magic and everything. That sounds really cool. So thank you very much, Andrew, for speaking with us, and looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano.
Great. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.